Hi, I'm Alexander Hayslip, and I'm going to walk you through ScaleXtreme's dynamic server assembly. The first thing you need to do is log into ScaleXtreme and go to our library. From there, click on My Templates. You can see which templates you've already created. For today's presentation, we're going to create a new template. So add a template by clicking on the green plus sign. The first step is to describe your template. I've called this template Demo Lamp Template because I'll be demoing a lamp template. Then we're going to select a system. At this time, you don't need to select a system, but you can see the options here. My existing servers, my Amazon EC2 account, my BlueLock account, and several other options. The next thing we'll do is select the scripts that we want to run in this template. You can select scripts from your script library or buy scripts from our App Store. I'm going to select the LAMP Bitnami installer, which you can see here. I'm also going to deploy some demo code. You can see from the description that this demo code installs a hello world on the LAMP stack. I've selected these two scripts and I can change the order or delete them as I see fit. But this is pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and finish. Now we're ready to launch. You can launch this template by clicking Launch Template in the upper right-hand corner. This will tell you first what you're launching. We're launching the Demo Lamp template. Then it'll ask you what your target is. For today's presentation, I'm selecting the Amazon EC2 account. This takes you through the typical Amazon EC2 launch sequence. I'm going to first pick a region. I've picked Virginia because that's where I'm from. Now I'm going to choose an AMI. You can either use the Amazon EC2 Quick Start AMIs or your custom AMIs. I like base CentOS 5.5. Let's run that. Now I'm going to select my instances. I want to run this template on 2 instances. And that's okay, they can be micro instances because it's a small template. I select my key pair, configure my firewall with the default group, and then I review all my selections. Again, you can see I'm launching 2 instances. Now I'm done, and the machines are ready to go. I've clicked Finish, and you can see that they've begun the process of running. Right now, the Amazon EC2 machines are being created. Great, they've just completed, and now the LAMP stack is going to launch. Now you can see that the LAMP stack is launched, and the machines that are created, the names of them are listed in the right-hand corner. Now the final thing is the deploy code. Excellent, the deploy code is launched. Now you can see every piece of the puzzle that's been completed. Let's check on it. We can click on each of these highlighted URLs to see what processes ran and how they worked. Let's start with the LAMP process. Here's the code. Here you can see how it finished. Now let's check the deploy code that we created. We check it for the first machine, and we check it for the second machine. Looks good. Let's see what the actual outputs are. We can copy the IP address from the first machine and copy the IP address from the second machine. Now we can go visit those sites. Hello world, and hello world again. We can see now that both scripts have run successfully. Congratulations! You've put 2 scripts into a template, the LAMP stack and a demo script. And then you launch that template on 2 EC2 servers. Now you can monitor or manage those servers using the regular ScaleXtreme functions. Or you can launch the same template on other server groups, such as one at Rackspace or physical servers inside your enterprise. Please, if you have any comments or questions, write to us at info@scalextreme.com. I'm Alexander Hayslip, and we appreciate your time.